So from tomorrow, the online class tests will be held. It will be taken. And as previously you have given in this format that 5 questions per subject, as now in this particular time, we are taking all the subjects separately. So there will be no particular number of questions per subject. As you have given 5 questions per subject, so here this time there will be no particular number of questions per subject. Okay, as I have already told you that there can be 3 questions from science and 2 questions from SST, or 2 questions from science, 3 questions from SST. So as a whole, you will get 20 questions, and this will cover all the topics that you have covered in this whole week. All the topics that you have learned in this whole week from Monday to Friday, that from those topics questions will come. Okay, so there will be no particular number of questions per subject. All the topics that you have learned in this whole week, according to that, from those topics questions will come, and total 20 questions will be there. The number of the total mark for your class test will also be, total number for your class test will also be 20. Okay, so per subject separately you will not get any particular number of questions. As a whole, you will get 20 questions, and these 20 questions will come from the topics that you have covered in this whole week from Monday to Friday. Okay, is it clear? Now let's start the chapter. So open the chapter Our Universe. Today we will start discussing the question answers. The students who want to give the answers, or who can give the answers, raise their hands. Students who can give the answers, just raise your hands. Only those students, I will unmute only those students so that you can give the answer. But there is only one condition, that you will not shout, you will not make any noise, and simply I will call the name. The student whose name I will call, they will unmute their device and give the answer. Or you all can give the answer one by one. Don't shout, don't make any noise. I can see that many students have raised their voice, have raised their hands. I'm unmuting you all one. You can tell the answer. This is why I have unmuted you. So let's see exercise part A. You will have to tell that whether the statement is right or wrong. Galaxy is a group of stars. Is it right or wrong?
I'm right.
Right. I'm right.
I'm right.
Question number 2.
I'm right.
Stars
I'm
are
right.
tiny bodies we see in the sky at night.
I'm wrong. I'm wrong. I'm wrong.
Okay,
I'm
so
wrong.
telling that the answer will be wrong. Okay.
I'm wrong.
Number 3 will be wrong.
Ma'am, number 3 is wrong.
I'm wrong.
All
Or
planets
ma'am,
have
number
their
4
own
will be right. Right. Or 5 will be wrong. 5 will be wrong.
Okay. That's it.
Will be wrong.
Wrong.
Don't tell it together. Let me tell the question. After that, you tell the answer. Okay? Let me tell the question. After that, you tell the answer. The outermost layer of the Earth is core.
Ma'am, wrong. Wrong.
Number 6. The Earth completes one revolution in
Ma'am, right. Right.
So what you have told me, question number 1 is right, then wrong. Question number 3 will be wrong, 4 will be right, 5 will be wrong, and 6 will be right. Let's check. Which one?
4 will be wrong.
Bonashri?
Yes, 4 will be wrong.
Bonashri, you are telling that 4 will be wrong, and
Yes.
majority of students, most of the students have said 4 will be right. So let's see.
Ma'am, 4 will be right. 4 will be not wrong.
let me tell you one thing. Everyone stop talking now, or else I will have to mute you again. So this is why we will submit it. If it is right, it will be you can see it, and if it is wrong, then also you can see it, right? So let me submit it, and let's check whether the answer is
Yes,
right
ma'am.
or wrong. Let's see.
Yes, ma'am.
All the answers are correct answers. So let's see, I'm again showing you the answers. The students who are writing the answers, you can write it on your notebook, or you can also mark it in your book. If you are marking it or writing it in your book, then always use pencils, never use pens. First will be right, will be wrong. Third answer will be wrong. Fourth answer will be right. Fifth answer will be wrong. And the sixth answer will be right. Okay? I'm
Ma'am,
giving you
does
1 minute. All of you write the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Let's see part B. Choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. First question. Dash is the closest planet to the sun.
Mercury.
Mercury. Ma'am,
Very
Mercury.
good. Absolutely correct answer. Next. Dash is the third planet from the sun.
Ma'am, Earth.
Very good. Correct answer.
Ma'am,
Next
Earth.
question. Mars is called the dash. Mars is called the dash.
Planet. Red planet.
Absolutely correct answer. Very good. Next, the outermost layer of the earth is dash. Very good.
Crust.
The correct answer.
Crust.
Crust will be the correct answer. Question number 5. The earth spins on its axis of
Ma'am, west to east. Ma'am, west to east.
very good. Correct answer. Now the last question is, the earth's dash is responsible for whom?
Ma'am, revenue.
Students, all the answers are
Revenue.
correct. And now everyone keep quiet. I'm showing you all the answers once again so that you can note down the answer. So write the answer. The answer for the first question will be Mercury. The answer of question number 2 will be Earth. Everyone write the answers in the copies that you have.
Now you will
The
do
answer
question
of the
number
third
D.
question will be red planet.
Ma'am, now you will do
And the
question
answer of
number
the
C.
fifth question will be
Ma'am, I wrote down. Ma'am, I have a question. Now you will do question number D. Hello, ma'am.
and question number 6. The last answer will be revolution. Have all of you written these answers?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Close your score. Have you written these answers? Have you written all the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And now Sheikh Mohammed Shaheen, you tell me what you are telling.
Ma'am, I have question number D. Ma'am, can I share the question number C question?
Yes, you can
Ma'am,
say
will
that,
you
but I will
question
stop
number
your
I'm
input.
down.
Can I
Now,
Answer
can
the,
I
okay.
do
Now
question
let
number
me tell
D
you.
or C?
question number D. No,
Okay.
ma'am, I say
If
question
all
number
of you
D.
start talking together, then how I will understand that
Ma'am, I cannot hear you. Ma'am, please unmute your device.
Okay, so now can you all hear me, students? Now can
Yes,
you hear
ma'am.
me? Okay, so which planet is also known as the red planet?
Mars.
Can you tell me the answer? I'm again
Yes,
sharing the
ma'am.
screen. You can see it here. Oishi, you tell me the answer. Which planet is also known as the red planet?
Mars is also known as the red planet.
Mars. Yes. So the answer for thinking question 1 will be Mars. Everyone write the answer. Mars. Okay. So the answer for thinking question number 1 will be Mars. Now look here. Look at the question, second question from the thinking question section. What is the name of the first satellite sent into space? Now, Ushmit, you tell me this answer. What is the first satellite that was sent into the space? It's very easy. The answer is very easy. You have also learned it in SST. Can you tell the answer, Ushmit?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so then let's see who can tell the answer. Shodh Lashkar, you are smiling. So you tell me, what will be the answer? Unmute your device. I know that I think you can answer, right? You know the answer? Shodh Lashkar, unmute your device and tell what is the name of the first satellite that was sent to the space. Very easy. No, I'm not getting any reply. Then who can tell the answer? Shirin Alam, unmute your device. Yes, Shirin,
Yes,
unmute your
ma'am.
device.
Yes, ma'am. Artificial satellite.
Yes, artificial satellite that was sent to the space. That was sent to the space. Okay, let's see who else can tell the answer, or I will tell the answer. The last student who can tell the answer. Okay, so all of you write the answer. It will be Sputnik 1. I'm writing just on the screen. Sputnik 1. Okay, this is the satellite. This is the first satellite that was sent to the space. Okay, so the name of the first satellite or first artificial satellite that was sent to the space is Sputnik 1. Okay, everyone write the name.